Okay, man.
Addy, give me a set of 4 points.
Stop.
Stop. Just stop, Vicente. Just stop, dude.
Vicente, stop.
Stop. Just stop, okay? You're not paying attention. All we're trying to do is get you moved to a room, okay?
I'm done.
Okay. Well, at the moment you're just gonna have to wait. 'Cause I'm gonna have to get
I need some
4
water.
Hold on.
I need some water. Yeah, do. Just give me a little bit, just a little bit. I told you guys I ain't gonna do shit, man. I told you guys. But don't
Okay,
do
you're
that.
fighting with
Don't
my
do that,
officers.
bro.
You need to stop.
Do whatever, but not that. Come on, bro. Okay, we're good.
Okay, so let's go through the front. Rolling to one side a little.
No. Come on.
Stop.
Roll over.
Move him to one side. Roll him towards me. Roll him towards me if you
You're
can.
gonna roll towards me.
Either way. Whatever works for us.
Sorry. I didn't know. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm really done.
Stop. How about that?
Lay down.
What? I don't want anything. Okay, I'm good, bro.
Okay, is he secured with stuff?
Secured.
We're all secured? Okay, so let's get him to his feet. Vicente, you need to listen to the officer. You need to listen to the officer, okay?
Don't grab me from there, bro, please.
Okay, so,
Let's go. Pick me up.
hold on.
I need some water right away. Let me get some water right away, please.
Okay, hold on.
This guy's gonna kill me, man. No, man. This guy's gonna drop me. Come on, man. Fuck. I give you guys my word. I need some water, bro. Oh.
Well, this way. Let you know if you don't.
No, I'm not gonna hit you guys.
I won't disrespect you like that, bro.
You're right.
For real.
You're right.
I just need some water, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Just let him down. Oh. Come on, man. No, hell no. Come on.
You don't have a choice.
You're okay.
You're going into cell.
You're okay. You're okay.
Dude. No, not with this dude.
Okay, go into the cell. Lie down for me. I need you to lie down. Lie down on there. So I can take everything off. Be aware, gentlemen, you have cuffs on. Let's remove the cuffs first, please.
Anybody have a key?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Here's the key.
Handcuffs first.
Handcuffs first for me.
Yes, sir.
I can tell that. Daryl?
Come on, bro. He's gonna get me.
Chill out.
He's gonna blow me, bro. He's gonna blow me.
Cindy, there's no here.
Hey, he's gonna kill me.
Can you get
Ah! Ah! Oh, no.
I won't do that. Stop resisting. Dude, just hang out, man. Just chill. Look, the officers are trying to take the response. The restraints
Stop
on.
fucking moving.
Okay, sorry. He's gonna give me some good ones, bro.
Oh.
Ah! Hey! No!
Sit on him.
Okay.
Now, Sandoval.
Ah!
Stop moving.
Yeah. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Stop moving. No, okay. Ah!
Stop moving. Vicente, if you do not stop,
Just do that, bro. I'll let you.
if you do not stop, I will use a taser.
I just need a bit, bro. Let me see. No, don't tease me.
Stop. You're about to get
Hold on.
tased. You're about to get tased, buddy.
I can't
Stop.
breathe. I can't breathe.
Stop.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't.
Right. right, because they're having to hold you down. Dude, you need to stop.
The whole of the shackles.
But I can't feel
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, that's this one.
Stop. Stop moving, Vicente.
Stop.
Just stop.
If you lay there and let them take the shackles, it's easier.
They're taking the shackles off your feet, dude. Stop.
Stop moving.
Just stop for now, please. So we can get this done and get you to sleep. Okay.
Are the shackle cuffs off?
They're ordering shots for him.
They're ordering shots for him? Okay, never mind. Everybody hold what you